Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that my Sassy Classy family has come back to watch one more video. This video is, well, it could be wholesale depending on how you look at it, but it's one of my favorite places, and I actually took you guys shopping with me on my trails through this shop, so I hope that you are going to come back to watch that video. It's going to be up this Wednesday, so go ahead. Well, actually it's going to be up this Sunday, so please come back to watch that one. If you want to see what store I got these items from, please keep watching, and while you're watching, please click that bell so you will know when I upload a video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Sassy Classy family. And do keep, I think that's it, keep watching to see what I got from this store. Okay, so this is going to be short and sweet because I didn't get a lot this time. I went because I actually went back because I wanted to take you guys with me. So I went to my favorite store, Burlington. As you know, I love this store. It's not a wholesale store, but it's more than Burlington Coat Factory. It's got some great bargains in there. I love shopping when I go there, especially if I'm giving gifts, because I can get some true designer clothes in there for gifts, and they make perfect gifts, especially for children. Or girl, they'll think you paid $1 million bucks. Just take off that Burlington tag and leave the regular tag on there. You will be the best auntie or grandma ever. So anyway, if you want to see what I got, this is what I got. So I got some of my subscribers that wanted to see me try on some latex. Girl, can you see this in some latex? I'm trying, but this is what I did. I did order some. I'm trying to figure out where it is. I haven't received it yet, but anyway, I ordered it from Pretty Little Thing. I'm waiting for that to come in because I just wanted to see. Girl, grandma and latex, you know that is not going to be pretty, but you asked for it, so I'm going to give it to you. But anyway, so this is just some few items that I picked up. I went ahead and picked up some jeans because you know you can never get enough jeans. We wear jeans on Fridays at work, so I went ahead and picked these up. These are by BB's. These are so freaking cute. Look at this. I got these in a size, this is a size 9. Yeah. This is a size 9. Doesn't look like it, but yeah, it is. But these, look at this. This is just freaking cute. I love this little embellishment. I thought they were cute just for that alone. You know, BB has some wonderful clothes. You go into that store. I used to shop at that store all the time when my kids were younger because I could afford it. They were little, and they were, you know, their clothes were cheap. They grown, well, not grown, but I'm still paying for them. Their clothes are just as expensive as mine. I can't afford to shop at BB's, but when I can get these on sale for $29.99, girl, I can look stylish too. I love these jeans, and I hope you can see that embellishment on there. It's just really, really beautiful. You need something stylish to go to work. You probably could, you know, you probably could do this yourself by gluing on some stuff, but why when you can pay $29.99? So I love these jeans. I will show you how I styled them, and then I went ahead and I got this little pair of faux leather pants. I like these. I tried them on already, and I really like them. I will show you how I styled them. They are really stretchable, and they actually look cuter than I thought. They aren't as shiny as the other pants are. So like leather pants, and they're not as thick. You know, Arizona, it's too damn hard to wear leather. And trust me, I still got leather from the East Coast, and I am not about to put that on. So these will do. And to go along with these little faux leather pants, I went ahead and got this little cute sweater to make me look a little bit sophisticated. The only thing I am not a fan of is jewelry on a shirt, but this can come off. So that did not stop me from buying it, because I can just take this little clip and take this off and, you know, use these little pearls for something else I'm trying to do. But the shirt was on sale for let's see, this was on sale for $14.99. And it is a really cute, sweet little top. It has just a little faux shirt underneath it. It makes it look like it's two tops, but it's really cute. And if you know me, you know I am a fan of sweaters. So this was a really cute one. Got kind of wrinkled in the bag. It has some little gold sparkles in it, so it makes it look super, super dressy. Oh, girl, it got a snag in it. What is that? Well, I'll show you how to fix snags. So I'll fix that snag, so that's not a big deal. This is a regular, it was on sale for $17.99. $19.99 is a regular little shirt, but yeah, this is cute. And then the next pair of pants I got that I can really wear with that sweater also was these little New York pants. They had these cute little buttons on the, well, not buttons, these two little embellishments on the front of it. They almost make it look like a belt, but it's not. These are, and they had the little, I guess this is a sewn in pleat in the front, which I thought was really cute. I got these in a size 6. Because they ran a little bit big, and they have a nice little tapered leg, so I thought they were actually cute. And these pants are really nice, like if you're doing a plane trip and you want to look super, super cute but relax and you don't want to put on some stretch pants. This is the perfect outfit for you. You want to look sophisticated while you're getting on a plane. You can just throw on these pants and a nice little sweater like this. Listen, you will be the best dressed grandma on the plane, but you don't have to let them know you're grandma. You know, we can slay. Just, you know, because we grandmas don't mean a thing. That has nothing to do with it. So these are perfect pants for trips like that, or just going to work on casual Fridays, or hey, even during the week on Friday. These are a perfect pair of pants to wear. And then I saw these little Anne Klein booty type shoes. I thought these were cute, and of course they met my low heel purchases. For my people that have MS, these are perfect shoes for you to walk in. They have a low heel on them. They are suede. My dog's been in there slobbering on them, but yeah, this I got in a size 7. They fit me perfectly. I don't have any problems with my high instep, and I got these on sale for, let's see, $29.99. They have a nice plastic bottom on the nice plastic bottom, which is good for keeping a nice grip, especially on slippery surfaces. So I really like that about these shoes. But I thought these were really, really cute for the winter time. Now, I'm not telling you to go out in snow with these on, because of course they are suede. You will ruin them. Rain too, because I don't wear suede in the rain. But other than that, they are really cute shoes that you can style with maybe these pants. I would not wear them with these little leather pants. I did pick up another pair of boots that will go perfectly with those, but Anyway, that is it. That's all I got from Burlington. I will put the prices below. I pretty much told you prices, but I will put them below once again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have an awesome new haul coming up from a great new wholesale place that I found. You guys are gonna love this haul. I'll have it up in about 2 weeks. I found pocketbooks and hair pieces. Yes, a wholesale place with hair pieces. So stay tuned for that. It's coming up. You are absolutely gonna love that. I got so many items. It's going to come to you in 2 parts. Unless you guys want me to just put it together. I don't want the videos to be more than 15 minutes, but let me know what you think. So should I do a full video or should I break it into 2 parts? Let me know. Anyway, tell me what you think about Burlington, and if you shop there, show me what you get at Burlington. As always, thank you, Sassy Classy family. I appreciate you watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Kisses. The next video, yeah, yeah, oh yeah. The next video, yeah, 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 yeah. The next video, yeah, yeah. Is that the new dance? My grandson was showing me how to do the dance, and he was like doing like this. I don't know what the hell that dance is, but I'm gonna get it. Trust me, I'm gonna get it off a video. Anyway. Okay, so these are the little leather inspired pleather pants, and normally I would wear this with a nice little blazer because I think it looks good with it, or oversized shirt or a sweater because I'm going on a trip to my son's college this weekend, so I will wear this with a nice oversized sweater or something that'll hit me right here, that will kind of show off the pants, makes your tushy look good even for somebody my age. I can pull this off with that, and maybe some nice little boots. These are super stretchy, so they are really going to be comfortable traveling in. And I put on a nice little cap. I'm looking rough, but yeah, that's the way I would wear a nice little turban. I actually just picked some things up from H&M that I will show you guys on another video. But yeah, so these pants I actually love. They are super comfortable, so I'm actually didn't think I would like these as much, but I'm actually loving this this look. It's a little baggy right here, but I don't mind. I don't like them super tight, but yeah, I'm actually digging these. It takes you back to the old days. Yeah. Okay, this is quick. This is this pair of pants. I just paired it with this shirt and did a casual day at work. My baby's just all in the way. So yeah, normally I would kind of dress this up with a nice little top, but I just paired this with a little casual chunky heel, and went with this with a little jean jacket, and I called it a day because this has got kind of big sleeves and normally wouldn't wear this to work, but with a jean jacket it kind of works. And it's got my boy on it, so yeah, I thought this looked okay for a casual day at work. And everybody just loved the bling on these BB jeans, and they fit perfectly on the tush. So yeah, I probably could have got a size smaller, but yeah, I don't like them super tight. So these were just great. So yeah, the perfect fit. Well, they need to be a little tighter on here, but with a belt I could cinch these in. So yeah, awesome. So I kind of scooted you out so you could see these boots, well, these little half shoes, and yeah, I'm kind of liking this. Hope you can see them in this video. I'm liking these pants. I'm hoping you can see these shoes. I'm going to move this back a little bit so I can kind of get in the picture with these pants. Yeah, I'm kind of liking these. These are really cute. They fit me well. They show off the tush. So yeah, I'm liking these. They're nice and comfortable. I really like this little pleat in them and these little embellishments on the front. Yeah, and they really look good with these heels. Yeah, with a nice little top or sweater. These will be comfortable wearing this weekend for Parents' Day. So yeah, I will show you guys how I styled them out. But yeah, I don't look too small. So yes, I'm loving this. And even with the sweater that I didn't try on, this will look super, super cute with these shoes and this little pink. I would of course take this off, but yeah, even with this and the burgundy shoes, it's super cute. So that's it. That is my try on. I will of course take some pictures and let you know the real scoop, but yeah, so I have try on. I'm getting better at this, you guys. So anyway, see you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later. I'm too old for that dancing.